Okay kids, so far we have learned about standing and sleeping lines. Now let's learn about slanting lines. Slanting lines. This is a right slanting line as it is bending towards right. So this is right slanting line. Right slanting line. The next one is left slanting line as it is bending towards left. So, left slanting line. Left slanting line. Right slanting line. Left slanting line. Let's learn about curves. So, this is the upward facing curve. This curve is facing upward. This is the upward facing curve. Next is downward facing curve. Can you see? This is going down. Downward facing curve. Upward facing curve. Downward facing curve. Now, right curve. Doesn't it look like a C? This is the right curve. Now, the next is the left curve. This is facing towards left. So, this is the left curve. Let's revise once again. Upward facing curve, downward facing curve, right curve, the left curve.